This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin C+E serum on your face. First, always start with a clean canvas. Thoroughly cleanse your face to remove any makeup or impurities, ensuring your skin is ready to absorb the serum. Next, dispense a small amount, usually 3 to 5 drops, onto your fingertips. Then, gently pat the serum onto your face and neck, distributing it evenly without harsh rubbing. For optimal results, apply your vitamin C+E serum to slightly damp skin. This helps with better absorption. Many experts recommend using it in the morning to leverage its antioxidant properties, which protect your skin throughout the day. After the serum has fully absorbed, always follow up with a good moisturizer and a broad-spectrum sunscreen to shield your skin from UV damage. This powerful serum offers numerous benefits, including brightening your complexion and reducing the appearance of fine lines. It also provides crucial protection against environmental stressors and free radical damage. To keep your serum effective, proper storage is key. Always store it in a cool, dark place, like a refrigerator or a cabinet, away from direct sunlight and heat. This helps prevent oxidation and maintains its potency for longer. When using vitamin C+E serum, avoid common mistakes. Do not apply too much. A few drops are usually sufficient for your entire face and neck. Also, never use expired or discolored serum, as this indicates it has oxidized and lost its effectiveness. And speaking of smart upgrades, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum link in the description, along with other great deals. Remember, consistency and correct application are vital for achieving the best results with your serum.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.